Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about AC glue. What is it? Well, AC stands for acrylate glue. It's just another fancy word for super glue. Well, when do you use this and why would you use it? Well, we're going to get into that. So let me explain. All right, so CA glue comes in three thicknesses. This one is medium. There's a thin, medium, and thick. Thin is used for like model making, things like that. Thick can be used kind of more for porous situations, and thick can be used to fill in crevices. Now, I would highly recommend getting an instant bond accelerant. Now, this will bond anything in 5 seconds or less with the use of CA glue. Now, this is a really good thing to use for your wood shop when you need to dry something very quickly, or you're reinforcing a glue joint with CA glue. So you might want to use wood glue, put a little dab of CA glue, spritz this little accelerant on it, and then attach it. That way you can continue working on your project. It is a great thing to have in your wood shop. All right, so what I'd like to do is show you how to use CA glue with an accelerant, and also show you how to use wood glue, CA glue, and accelerant together for your woodworking projects. Let me go grab some scrap lumber and show you how we're gonna demo this. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply some wood glue, and we're just gonna put a little bit on and then skip a little spot, smooth this around. We don't need much. All right, let me get a rag over here. All right, wipe off the glue on my fingers. So you can see here we have some glue, and then we're just gonna put a little bit of CA glue just as a dab right here and right here in the corner. Now this will just bond it to the surface. So spray the accelerant on. Hold it for 5 seconds. We can wipe off this excess glue. We don't need that. Just like you normally would with any project. Hold it on there. And now what's happening is the CA glue is bonding to this, but we still have the wood glue. Now this won't dry for another 24 hours, but we can pick up the piece and move it around. This is a really great trick to do and use when you're doing woodworking projects. It really helps you move projects around. Let's move on to the next example. So the next demonstration that I would like to show you is gluing up two pieces just using AC glue. Now this is the medium one, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually do the end grain, which is a little bit harder to do because the glue soaks it all up. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna spray this, and it likes the moisture and the wet, and you count to 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it should be good. Let's see. There you go. It is bonded. Now, it takes about 5 seconds to do that. You can move it around until you do it, but that is just using the CA glue and the accelerant to bond things straight together. You can always use and substitute wood glue in between the joints to give it a little bit more extra strength. All right, so that's AC glue. I hope you found this video helpful and that the uses of AC glue and wood glue can help you with your woodworking projects. If you like this video, smash that thumbs up button for me. And if you have any questions about the use of AC glue in woodworking projects, please post them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help you. All right, guys, till next time, I'll see you later.